Rose slugs are garden and flower pests commonly responsible for mass defoliation. Despite their name, these caterpillars aren't slugs at all. Rose slugs are actually the larvae of rose sawflies, flying insects that lay eggs in plant tissue. In this video, we'll go over how to identify rose slugs, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. The name rose slug is used to refer to a few different species. Generally, rose slugs are caterpillars that have yellow-green bodies, orange or brown heads, and they grow to be 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch long. Their prolegs lack hooks that other caterpillars have, and they may be slimy, lending to a slug-like appearance. When they mature, rose slugs pupate and emerge as sawflies. Adult sawflies have dark bodies, 2 pairs of smoky wings, and thicker waistlines compared to similar insects like wasps. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. When feeding activity becomes evident, check your property for feeding patterns and look for the rose slugs themselves. Rose slugs will eat away layers of leaf tissue from the top sides and undersides of leaves, skeletonizing them. They may also eat chunks out of the edges of leaves. When the adult sawflies lay eggs, they use their saw-like ovipositors to create pockets of eggs in plant stems or in leaves. True to their name, rose slugs and rose sawflies prefer to attack rose bushes, but they also target other plants, including turfgrass, if their desired food source is scarce. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. Treatment is most effective when the larvae are young and less than halfway through their life cycles. Avoid treating too late when the larvae are close to maturing into adults. To treat rose slugs, you'll need to use a systemic insecticide like Dominion 2L. Dominion 2L is a suspended concentrate and will need to be mixed with water before application. This product can be applied either as a foliar treatment or as a soil drench treatment. If you're going to apply Dominion 2L as a foliar treatment, output the labeled rate of 1.5 fluid ounces of product per 100 gallons of water. If you're going to apply Dominion 2L as a soil drench around trees, apply 0.1 to 0.4 fluid ounces of product per inch of the trunk's diameter. Apply the solution uniformly around the base of the tree, especially over the roots, in no less than 10 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet. As a soil drench for shrubs, you'll apply 0.1 to 0.2 fluid ounces of product per foot of the shrub's height. Over flowers, ground cover, and turf, apply 0.46 to 0.6 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. After this application, water the product in. Once the product has been applied, it will absorb into the plants through the leaves or roots. Labeled pests that attempt to feed off treated plants will be poisoned and die after approximately 24 hours. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. In the late spring to early summer, if you're expecting rose slugs and sawflies, you can till the soil around suspected host plants. Rose slugs pupate and overwinter by mid-June. By digging the soil around suspected host plants, you can destroy some pests before they're able to mature into adults. From spring through summer, regular watering once a week over and under your host plant's foliage can wash away eggs or even stop breeding activity altogether. You can also boost your plant's health and make it stronger. Healthier plants are more capable of resisting and recovering from pest damage. If an infestation breaks out, prune away afflicted parts to prevent the pests from spreading. Finally, keep up with regular pesticide treatments and reapply Dominion 2L every 90 days for year-round control. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop rose slugs from infesting your shrubs, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.